cricket game from nostalgia to go. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel where tech means thodi masti or nostalgia. Remember those school days when textbooks were not just for studying but also for playing book cricket? Well, guess what? I just turned that game into a Python project with animation, sound effects and a little sprinkle of my quirky style. Let's rewind to see how this whole journey started from a random idea to a full-on interactive game. Part 1. Back to basics. It all started with a simple thought. If childhood games could turn into code, why not try it out? First version. Super basic. Tkinter plus random number generator is our book cricket 1.0. Press the button, number दिखेगा और अगर ones place पे 0 तो game over है boss. Honestly, it felt like Maggie without masala. काम तो हो रहा था but taste ही नहीं था. Comes part 2. Visual dreams. Then came my inner designer and मुझे लगा कि गेम बिना एनिमेशन और एस्थेटिक्स के कौन ही खेलना पसंद करेगा. So I hopped on to the Figma and sketched out the whole game. Book flipping animation, player name input, scoreboard, winner announcement with crowd cheers and sad music जब कोई out हो जाए. In my head, it felt like looking like IPL finals, but in reality, अभी कोडिंग का असली दर्द बाकी था. Part 3. The real deal. Fast forward to the final version, Pygame plus Python plus thoda sa swag is our book cricket 2.0. Here's what the final version feel alive. Player name input, book flipping and
Victory! 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 You lose. Victory! Victory!
If you believe small ideas can turn into big innovations, comment below. खुद है तो possible है.